All right, my name is Jonathan Burton, and I live in Evansville, Indiana. I had a need, and I wanted to figure out who was able to do foundation work and restoration, and that was top of the list. I had heard of you guys just through word of mouth before. So the big problem we had is this is a remodel house that we were going to renovate and remodel. We have it now on the market to sell, and one of the big deterrents is that there is a large tree just outside of this wall, and its roots growing in were just coming in and pushing this wall in. And as you can see, there's a pretty large crack all the way throughout, and it goes from one end to the other. And so my concern was that that's a huge crack in a foundation wall. Any buyer that I come in and show this house to, no matter what I've done to the upstairs, is gonna be concerned with this. So I knew it had to be addressed. My biggest concern was that I was gonna have to tear that tree down. I was gonna have to do excavation all on the outside, get this wall rebuilt. And so when Healthy Spaces came in and did a survey of what needed to be done, they said everything's done on the interior. I was expecting tens of thousands of dollars and just having a huge expense to this, and doing everything on the interior, even the parts it's still an expense that you have to account for, but it was incredibly reasonable and way below what I expected it to be. I had somebody come in, I can't remember his name offhand, but he came in, he told me the process, and as a contractor myself, I love learning about how this works. So it was more than just, oh yeah, we're gonna do this and we're gonna get you taken care of. It was, let me explain the process. Let me explain what the beams are doing, how they're supporting the house, why you need so many, and what's going on with it. And so that was a great experience. When I had the team actually come in and do the installation, not only was it quick and clean, and they picked up after themselves and all that kind of stuff there, again, there was a level of explanation of why we have what we have. It's different to see the equipment in place versus having it told to you. So being able to see it and having that explanation to it is great. On top of that, just continued service throughout the coming years, knowing that this is taken care of and the warranties that come with it is very great. Everyone I've brought in to come and see this house has been amazed by the beams and been interested in them, and there's never been a hint of, oh, I'm not sure if that's going to be okay. It's a little bit of a sense of awe and just amazement that they can do something like this, that it can fix the house, take care of the space, and really just I being impressed by it. So that's great. Is the education that came along with it, the user friendliness of it, and the friendliness of the group. And everybody I worked with was very personable, and it went beyond just we're coming in, we're doing a job. I learned about everybody, and that's been very fun. This process is very fun, and I like showing off the house and having the opportunity to do that. But one of my favorite things was joining our B&I networking group is when I met John Tornada, and I was instantly able to say, here's a company that I've already had work from. John doesn't know me. Nobody in this group knows that I've used Healthy Spaces before, but I can comfortably and confidently say they did a great job. And that was a really great thing to be able to say.